Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change contact photo on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So first of all, I'm gonna open the phone app and then let's go to contacts and choose the contact that you want to customize. Now over here you can choose contact photo and poster. You can customize it over here if you have something later on created, then of course you can choose it here. But essentially we want to go to the most far right option and create a new one. Then we can, for instance, choose photos. In order to open the library with photos, we can choose the photo. And there we go. We can use one of the photos that we have. And once you customize it, then you can press down over here in the top right corner. We have the preview of the poster. We can press continue. Here we have the contact photo, which we can readjust once again. There we go. Press done. And then we can press continue. Of course, if you want to, you can also use a different photo, but we can press continue. And there we go. We have the poster and the avatar done. We can press down over here in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.